Do you want a $4,500 a month income, tax-free? Retiring on a $350,000 TFSA, tax-free savings account, and full old age security GIS, guaranteed income supplement, government pension. How do you do this? You need cash flow, not income. Delay your CPP until 70. If you are planning to take it at 65, this will increase your payment by 42% when you turn 70. Retire in the tax year of your 64th birthday. Create backup cash flow. Example, sell your home or take a lump sum from it. Place this money into a non-registered account that you can remove money from as it is not income, or place this money in your TFSA if you have room. Now let's look at retirement income going forward with this GIS scenario. So how do you do this? Well, $350,000 in a TFSA invested in a high dividend paying ETF fund will generate about $2,176 a month cash flow, tax-free. Since you have no income, you're monthly, you have cash flow, not income, entitlement from old age security, and the GIS, the guaranteed income supplement, will be the maximum in your 65th year. A couple will both receive about $1,074 a month, so times 2 is $2,348 a month. So if you combine that with your TFSA and your government income, it works out to about $4,500 a month, tax-free. This strategy can work from the age of 65 until your 70th birthday, as then any RRSP funds have to be withdrawn at a certain percentage each year, which will affect your entitlement to the guaranteed income supplement. However, your CPP payment has now grown by 42% when you start receiving it in your 70th year. If you still have RRSPs invested in stocks, they have had 5 more years to grow, which could be a 100% increase in your account value, which will help with a far richer retirement in your older years. As I've said before in previous videos, starting a TFSA young is the secret to enjoying as much money from the government tax-free in retirement as possible. Don't you want as much tax back as possible? I know I do. Also, as part of a retirement getting ready tips that can help you a lot with cash flow, if you own your home, make any major repairs and upgrades like a furnace, roof, appliances, driveway, major renovations before retirement. If you own 2 vehicles, consider selling one and sharing the second, as yourself and your partner most likely won't require 2, and that is a huge savings. If you own your home, refinance it, and if needed, extend the amortization period to lower payments while retired. Investigate any areas you could save money, cash flow, before retirement. An example, pay off a car loan. There's also all kinds of different associations for seniors which will allow discounts. Associations and clubs, all of these are great ways to limit expenses in retirement. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification button. Thank you and have a wonderful day.